How to show specific elements on all different pages in your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically, for example, we can add a button that is going to be shown for each and every single page. This way, it's just going to save you a lot of time trying to add it to every single page manually. So we can actually do so very easily, and I will show you how with Wix. Now this, I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but this is going to be for the normal Wix, not for Wix Studio. So let's just go ahead and not waste much time and click on edit site and get started. So first we're just going to open up our site editor, and then from here we can just go ahead and continue on with this tutorial. So let's just wait for this to load and show you exactly what to do next. Okay, great. So now that we have our site ready to go, we can just go ahead and start by adding the actual element or finding the actual element. So in my case, I'm just going to do a very basic example, which is a button. So we can just go ahead and add any type of button here. I'm just going to add this send button, and we can just go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so it is going to be more visible for us and we can identify it easily. I know it's not really pretty, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So anyways, once you add your element, by the way, side note, this is not going to work for every single element in this website. A lot of them are not going to have this option, so you will be able to check right away. So to check whether this element has this option or not, you basically just want to click on it and then right click on it. And once you right click, you basically just want to scroll down to the bottom and you will find this show on all pages setting. Now, if you don't see it, that means that this element that you're using is not going to apply for this. So you can't really show it on all different pages. But if it does show, all you need to do is just go in and click on it, turn it on, and you're pretty much good to go. So now, hypothetically speaking, this should actually show in all different pages. So let's just go ahead and see for ourselves whether this is true or not. I'm just going to go to the page home and change it to any other page here. I'm just going to go for book online. This entire site is actually just a sample site, but yeah, we can actually see that it is present in here. Let's just go ahead and try to go for a different one. Let's see this page, and it should be also in here. It's actually behind this, so it's not going to be visible. So let's just try to move this. And we should see it somewhere around here, no? Okay, so I guess because this is, taking much of the space available, it's not actually going to show. I believe that's the reason why. So let's try out another page and see how it actually fares with, for example, the shop page. So cart page, for example. It's in there, and yeah, I believe that's why it didn't show for that one, but it's because it's taking the space in there. So here is also going to be visible. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. So let's just go and try it out for one more thing here. For example, this image element, right click, go to the bottom, show on all pages, and now it should be present to all pages. So let's just check real quick to in the product page, for example, and we should be able to see it if there's nothing else right there, as you can see. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.